which explains that okay, these are the standard cells that are used to make the circuit designed, right. Yeah, here is on the flops are not mentioned here, but yeah, you can understand that this is the basic implementation of the logic using the standard cells. Okay, now third important component is memory cell, right. So what is memory cell? So if you understand that any element that stores the data, right, for some time until it is erased or updated, that is called a memory cell, right. So how it is different from the flip flop or latch? Latch and flip flop are also memory elements, but how it is different here is, I think is clear, right, from the diagram that okay. So it is like a compacted version of those flops or latches put together for various reasons like performance, area, and all those reasons. They are put into a single place, okay, that makes the memory cell, okay. And this memory cell contains the inputs, right, to write what to write into the memory cell. Memory cell, if you see, right, it is a group of memory flip flops add in the order of in a matrix form, you can think of, right. So when you wanted to write data, so the data will be written sent on to the memory, and then clock will be given. Clock is basically the signal that basically sequences the operation, right. So along with that, the enable, when you assert it, it is going to write into the memory, that is the write data.